In its environment, it coexisted with a variety of well-known animals, including the extinct North African elephant and Barbary lion. Atlas bears also obviously coexisted with modern humans, and interactions with them, or us, were frankly very one-sided in our favor. For a long time, humans and Atlas bears seldomly interacted, but in 146 AD, after the Romans established a new province in Africa, which they named Africa, things changed and Atlas bears quickly found themselves being shipped off to Rome to be used in gladiator fights against humans and other animals.